everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to talk about a merge statement in SQL. Normally merge statements are used for to compare the two tables and then you can update or insert the data into that table. So now we have two tables, catalog 1 and catalog 2. First I will show you the data which exists in the catalog 1. So now we have three rows: laptop, iPhone, camera, and this is the price range for the catalog one. And then assume that in the second table we have a same column, but assume that we have a one more different data. So here we have iPhone, laptop is same, but video camera is different. It's not exist in the first row. So what we are going to do, we are going to use a merge statement and then compare between these two tables and then insert the new row in the table 1. This is where we can use the merge statement. So for that we can write a query. So here if you see here, this is the syntax for the merge. So we have to start with merge into catalog first table as alias S1 and then second table catalog S2. So I'm comparing the ID between these two tables. Okay, and then if suppose if both rows are same, then we can update the price value. In case if there is one mismatch rows, then we are going to insert the mismatch rows in the first table. I hope you understand here. In case if you don't, if you have any questions, please write it in the comment section. I can reply for that. So now if I'm going to execute this syntax, before that I'll show you again. In the first table we have laptop, iPhone, camera. So we are going to compare the first table with second table. So here we have video camera, which doesn't exist in the first table. So if I run this one, what will happen? It will compare these two datas, and then if the video camera doesn't exist in the first table, so it will insert those details into the first table. Let me run this one. Statement processed. So if I run the second one, so here if you see, this details remain same, but if I run the first table, see, now the video camera got inserted. If I run again the same row, nothing will happen because the first table, second table data remain same. See, statement processed, but there will be no changes in this data. So this is how we can use this merge statement in SQL. So normally it will be used for compare the two table and then update or insert the data in the first table. So that is the main purpose of the merge statement. Thank you for watching this video. Please, in case if you don't subscribe this channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.